Is on-field tougher or off-field tougher as an athlete, Sreejesh?
Off-field is much tougher.
Off-field is tougher? Oh, I didn't expect that. Saina, for you?
I mean, on-field is crazy. You know, you have so many emotions which you don't want to even express. You know, sometimes you're singing songs in between the match, you're actually crying, you're sad, you're laughing in between the rallies. So there's so many emotions. You shout at your coach, you shout at yourself. So I think on field it's very different. You don't know what you're doing, and after the match you're like, "Acha, aisa kiya tha kya maine?" So on field, I feel for me
It's still tougher.
It's little difficult, yeah.
Because, you know, so many athletes have to deal with pressure off field, controversies. I'm sure you had to deal with team dynamics, etc. as well. But quick last rapid fire. Is winning an Olympic medal harder or being the #1 or being the goalie of the year harder? To be that consistent. Saina, you want to go first?
So I think Olympic medal is dream of everyone's, and world #1 is consistency. You have to show consistency maybe for years to be #1, and I would say world #1 is harder, but Olympic medal is the dream.
Is it the dream?
For me, as a team, winning a medal is more important than being the #1. Because you are the best goalkeeper in the world and your team is not winning an Olympics medal. Doesn't
It
matter
wouldn't
to me.
mean anything. Okay.